Hi, we're Danny and Kelsey, and we've been living in our bus for 8 months. Over the summer, we made some fun and essential changes to our rig that have seriously changed how we travel. Now we're ready to give you the full tour. We're going to show you a little bit of the inside and everything we've done since the last tour. Let's go. We're giving you an inside tour today of all the renovations and changes we made over the summer to our bus. If you watched a couple of our YouTube videos over the summer, we did a few projects and now we're giving you a new bus tour with everything that we changed. The first and probably one of our favorite changes that we made to the bus was updating the dash area. If you saw in our prior videos, this space was completely unutilized. The dogs' food and water bowls were just laying around, and we had a tiny box for our work clothes here. So over the summer we decided to completely redo this area to make it more usable. This is pretty much the dogs' station. We've got dog food in this larger container here, their toys and other things that belong to them. And then this slides out for their food and water. Another change that we made to the dash area was installing the iPad case into the dash area. That way we can have a bigger maps screen while we're driving. Another change that we made was to the overhead storage here. When we first started the bus, I thought that I wanted open shelving to add plants, cute books, but that never really happened. So this summer we added cupboard faces to the upper area. It's just holding our hats, extra food storage, and some books on the other side. We also added a shelf above the fridge so that we could have more storage space. One change that we recently made was just adding a face to this open area where we didn't have any cupboard space. We store our backpacks and our camping chairs right here. It's just held by magnets, super cheap and easy, but it makes everything look really nice. The last and probably the most notable change is adding a small AC unit to the inside of our bus. The AC unit has been really nice when we were in Michigan over the summer because it was super warm, and then we traveled to Colorado and Oregon where temperatures were reaching 95. There was a day where we had 100 degrees, so it was nice to have some relief with the AC unit. We're completely able to run it with our solar as long as we're conscious of how long we're using the AC and other things we're using throughout the day. In our previous bus tour, I shared in detail what was in every cabinet, and if you're really interested, you can go back and watch that video. But to keep it short and simple, we have plenty of storage for our kitchen items, for personal use, trash and cleaning supplies, and storage for our clothing. We've also got space underneath both of the bench seats for our laundry and for our window covers and blackout curtains. The upper cabinets are just for food storage. We also have a full-size RV fridge and freezer. What has been your favorite part of bus life so far?
So my favorite part about bus life has been all the people that we've met on the road. All the places are really cool, amazing views, beautiful, but the real thing that I'm going to remember is all the people that we've met, and we've made a lot of great friends, so that's definitely my number one.
It's been amazing and beautiful to meet so many wonderful people while we've been traveling and experiencing the world.
The last time you saw the bus, it did not have this back deck on it. We had the mopeds at my parents' house and we just didn't have time to build the deck, so that's what we did this summer. So basically all I did was extend the frame rails out, pulled the bumper off, built the deck on the frame rails, and then threw the bumper back on and connected the lights. So this is hidden behind the mopeds on the back deck, and all we do is pull it out, put it on the back deck, and then all we have to do is unstrap the mopeds and roll them off. So this is our favorite update that we did to the bus this summer, the rooftop deck. This ladder here, I thought about custom building and welding, but I ended up finding an old ladder that I had for my business. I just cut it in half, painted it black, and then mounted it to the bus. So the brackets that hold the rooftop deck on the roof, you can buy them for I think like $80 a piece, but I ended up just going to a metal scrapyard place, finding the parts I needed and welding them myself. Saved a lot of money, didn't save a lot of time. I ended up figuring out how to put a backrest on this that hinges down. It's a pretty simple concept, but then we can sit here and chill. That's it for all the updates on our skoolie. If you want to see the original skoolie tour, you can find it here.
What's next for us?
How much do we say?
Nothing.
There's some pretty big things that might be happening. You're acting like there's nothing interesting coming up. We're working in California right now, and after this we are going to be heading to Baja, Mexico for hopefully 2, 3, 4 months maybe. So
yes, I'm so excited.
That's what's next.
Keep up with us and you'll see what our next few months of surprises are going to be.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Please remember to like and subscribe our video. It really helps us out a ton. We love you, fam. Bye.